So considering Citibank is one of the premium bank in India, Citibank might lose on a huge customer as their customer move from Citibank to some other bank which supports cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin transactions. And this is not new. The banks have been trying really hard to stop the cryptocurrency adoption. Starting right from Jamie Dimon, the CEO of one of the top banks in the world, JP Morgan, went on to say that Bitcoin is a fraud and people who are investing into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are nothing but stupid. And now Citibank stopping their customers from buying any cryptocurrencies using their debit card and credit card. Are you kidding me? It is your customers' money and you decide what they can buy, what they cannot buy. That's weird. Welcome back to Crypto Conversation, guys. My name is Shiv and this is a channel we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and blockchain. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. And also, this is not a financial or investment advice. Investing into cryptocurrencies have risk. Please do so based on your own research. So there was an email sent out to all the Citibank customers from Citibank telling them we will not support you for buying cryptocurrencies. Earlier, they came out with a decision that they will not support any credit card transactions. Now they will not support debit card transactions. The reason for the credit card was that cryptocurrencies are volatile. And if you swipe your card, you might not be able to pay back if the cryptocurrency market crashes. Got that point. What's wrong with debit card? Debit card is customers' money. Why can't you allow your customers to do what they want to do with your money? And you have KYC in place. You exactly know where the debit cards are being used for. This is quite alarming. Alarming for the fact it goes to show how much control these banks have over people, deciding for them, not letting people to decide what to do with their money, and then deciding what you should or what you should not. Banks run on something called as fractional reserve. If everybody goes to the bank and asks for their money, these banks will not have enough money to give back everyone. As you know, the 90% of the money that they are kept, they loan out to others. So in short, they are using people's money. They give people money, some other set of people's money to earn interest on it. It's not their money also. And over and above, they have rights to stop people from doing a transaction. Tomorrow they can stop you from buying a bottle of water in a desert. They have that power, guys. Trust me. Visa, Master, they have that power. And this is where cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin comes into picture. They give you power in your own hand. They get you rid, give you the freedom from the banking system, the intermediaries parties. In this video today, you will also know why I don't like Ripple. A lot of people do ask me, why do I not like Ripple? This is one of the reasons. The Ripple is there to support the banking system. And as you know, how much control the banking system have over us, it's quite clear that the banks are frightened completely. They have realized the power of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. They know that they will not be required anymore. People will be able to transact among us using the cryptocurrencies, something like Coinbase is doing. Coinbase is launching something called as Coinbase Commerce, right? You can go ahead and read it on Fortune. What it does is basically, it's called Coinbase Commerce. By the way, Coinbase is one of the top exchange, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange in USA, right? Where you can buy any cryptocurrency you want, linking a bank account. It says Coinbase Commerce can be directly integrated into merchants' checkout flow or added as a payment option and e-commerce platform. Shopify, which was already accepting Bitcoin payments. It is one of the best platforms to start using service, Coinbase. You can start, people in US now, they can start buying things with cryptocurrencies. As you can see, there are no banks required for this transaction. And so is Robinhood. Now, I think there is a great need for a bank, for a company in India who says that, listen, We not only support your cryptocurrency transaction, but we offer like 100% discount on your trading fee. Will that be amazing? Something like what Robinhood did in USA. Robinhood is one of the famous app in USA. They were earlier into stock trading and whatnot. Now, recently they integrated cryptocurrencies. This is what they have to say, that if you buy cryptocurrencies on Robinhood, you will not even be paying the trading fee charges. It's a zero trading fee. Don't sleep. Invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies 24/7, commission free. This is what US is doing. And India, the banks, the top banks are stopping their customers from buying cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin by their own money. That's hilarious. It's funny how much these banks are trying to stop the cryptocurrency adoption. They know the fact that they cannot stop the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, right? Because it's a decentralized. You cannot really stop it. What you can do, you can stop people buying into it, so that you can stop people adopting into it. You can slow down the process of adoption, right? That's what you can do. This is what is happening in Citibank, guys. It says Citibank India notified debit card and credit card clients via email on 13 February they would no longer be able to participate in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. One thing that I do know, these customers who are actually with Citibank, they are intelligent customer, right? They're premium customer. And if these customers, they know the power of decentralization and blockchain technology, they're simply going to say goodbye to Citibank. They'll say, goodbye, Citibank. I'm sorry, you're not able to cater to me. I would rather bank with somebody who fulfills my requirement. Isn't that easy? Only time will tell how profitable this decision will be for Citibank. As you can see, some of the top banks because some of the top banks will have the larger impact of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin when they become mainstream, right? They will be the ones which will be, like, for example, when the mobile phones were invented, right? Who got impacted, guys? It is Kodak who got impacted, because suddenly nobody wanted a camera. Everybody was happy with the mobile phone. Tomorrow, if the cryptocurrencies go mainstream, suddenly everybody will start transacting on their phone, sending Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. Nobody will go to the bank. And that is what they're frightened with. They're trying their best to stop the adoption. Let them try harder, guys. And this is where the true value of decentralized comes in, right? And now you know why I don't like Ripple as well. Let me know your opinion about this emailer from Citibank to their customers. What do you think about this emailer? What exactly are they trying to achieve by doing this? And what do you think how the people are going to react to this emailer? Let me know your opinion in the comment box below. I'm very curious to hear that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.